Okay, so good evening. Our topic for today is all about factoring perfect square. Our objective for this lesson is to factor out algebraic expressions with perfect square trinomials using the basics of factoring. Okay, so in factoring perfect square trinomials, we let A and B represent real numbers, variables, or algebraic expressions. Then the following perfect square trinomials can be factored as indicated. Okay, here are the factors of perfect square trinomial. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b squared. So this is just the opposite or the reverse process of the square of binomials. Likewise, for a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b squared. So if we're going to expand this using special products, we'll come up to this result. Likewise, for a minus b squared, we'll arrive at this result if we're going to use the special products. Okay, so let's proceed. Example, they were asked to factor out the algebraic expression x squared plus 12x. Okay, so I will write x squared plus 12x plus 36. So the factors of x squared can easily be factored out because x squared, so the factors are x and x. So since this is a perfect square trinomial, so for us to factor 36, we need two factors that must be a perfect square number for us to arrive 36, and that is 6 and 6. So this is the product. So for to get the sum, which is 12, so that's 6 plus 6, which is equal to, this is x plus 6 and x plus 6, or we can simplify this into x plus 6 squared, because since they have the same factors, so to make it shorter, we need to make it as an exponent. So that's x plus 6 squared, which is our answer for this example. Okay, questions for this example? Okay, let's proceed. We're asked to factor out 9a squared minus 6x plus 12. Okay, so I'm gonna rewrite the algebraic expression 9a squared minus 6a okay. So as to factor this, so this is just, so what do you think are the factors of 9 squared for us to become a perfect square? Okay, so that's 3a squared. So how about 1? But take note that your middle term is negative 6 over 8. So the factors of 1 can be 1 times 1, or it can be 1 times, or negative 1 times negative 1. So it also results to positive 1. So let's try. So let's try this factor. So this is 3a minus 1. Okay. So this is the factor. But to prove that these two are equal, we need to prove this using special products. Let's see if this is really the factor of 9a squared minus 6a. So 3a minus 1 squared. So use a special products. A minus b squared, which is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. So this is 3a minus 1 squared, which is equal to 3a, this is the second power, minus 2, multiplied by 3a, multiplied by 1, plus negative 1. So this is 9a squared minus 6a plus 1. So this is the same as the given, which means our factor for 9a squared minus 6a plus 1 is 3a minus 1 squared. Okay, questions for this example? Okay, let's proceed. So we're asked to factor m plus n squared plus 12 multiplied by m plus n plus 36. So this is quite similar to our first example. The only difference is there is n plus n. Okay. So to factor this out, we all know that a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b. So we let a as n plus n. So we will replace this mn plus mn m plus n squared or n plus n by a. We're going to do the variable substitution. So this will become a squared plus 12a plus 36. Okay. So what must be the factors of a squared plus 12a plus 36? So since it's a perfect square trinomial, so this is a plus 6 squared. Are we done with our answer? No, because we're going to replace the a here by this square. Okay, so the factor is m plus n plus 6. So this is the answer for our for this problem. Okay, so if you want to verify if this factor is the factor of this the given, use special brackets. Okay, so questions with this example. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so I think this is the most common problem for perfect square trinomial. So we're asked to find out factor out the algebraic expression x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay. Rewrite the given x squared plus 4x, so plus. Okay, so this is quite simple. The factors of x squared is x and x. What must be the what are the factors that will satisfy the product which is equal to 4 and the sum which is equal to 4. So since it's a perfect square trinomial, so this is x plus 2 and x plus 2. You can consider these factors, but to make it shorter, we need to make it as in terms of exponent. So this is x plus 2 squared. This is our answer for this item. Now, if you need to verify if this is true, just use special text. Okay, questions for this item. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so let's factor out the following algebraic expressions completely. Okay, so if you need more time, you need to pause the video. Okay, so let's answer the exercise. Okay, so for number one, the given is n squared. Okay, so the given is n squared minus 4x before n plus 4, so that's equal to n minus 2 squared. Okay. So for number 2, the answer is x plus 3 squared. For number 3, we have r minus 4 squared. For number 4, so since the algebraic expression given is 5b squared plus 10b plus 5, so we cannot factor this by using perfect square trinomials. However, we can use the factoring using the greatest common factor, which is equal to. So the greatest common factor between 5, 10, and 5, of course, it's multiplied by b squared plus 2b then plus 1. So now we can factor out b squared plus 2b plus 1. So the answer for this one is 5 multiplied by b plus 1. Questions? Okay, so let's number 5. So 16 r squared minus 24r plus 9. Okay, so this is plus 4r minus 3 squared. For number 6, so the algebraic expression given is 25x squared plus 40x. So this is equal to 5x plus 4 squared. Number 7, 32b squared plus 16b plus 2. So this one, we cannot factor this directly using perfect square trinomials. So instead, like in our item number 4, we're going to use to do a factor using greatest common factor. So in this case, the GCF between 32, 16, and 2 is multiplied by 16b squared, okay, plus 8b, okay, this is the answer. this is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus b. For number 8, this is equal to, so the algebraic expression given is 16b squared minus 48b plus 36. So if we're going to factor this out, so the answer for this item is 4b minus 6. Number 9, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared is simply x minus y squared. And for number 10, u squared plus 10ub plus 25v squared. This is uh, this is simply u plus 5b squared. Okay. Any questions with our lesson? Okay, so if you don't have any questions, we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for listening.